second shot clock.
9 second shot clock.
Wow!
3 points.
Third quarter. Cardinal. Pass to Bautista. Pass to Cardinal again. Bautista. For 3. Bautista good for 3 points. Score is Mendoza.
Kailan mo si Aldo?
Mendoza. Pass to Diego. Back to Bautista. Hanapin back net. Nakakashoot na. Mendoza. Tayo. Magpangaba ng bola. 25 seconds remaining. Mendoza. Pass to Bautista again for 3. Bang! 17 seconds remaining. Ginawa ni Pardenal. Burgos. Kumagarain. Mendoza. Pass to Bautista. Tumira ng 3. Tayo.
Sabi mo bumagsak ulan.